I want to know if it's true or false. That smart home technology uses more energy or more electricity and can cause a increase in the electrical bill compared to not having it at all. Can you touch on that a little bit for me?
Oh, absolutely. In fact, in many cases, it's the inverse.
Oh wow.
Sometimes it is the smart home technology that will save you on energy. Think about some of the televisions that we've had throughout the years.
Mhm.
Some of the TVs that even the ones from 5 years ago use an enormous amount of power. Whereas something like that, the Samsung frame that we showed you earlier,
Yeah.
the amount of wattage that it takes is far less than what previous televisions used to consume. Likewise,
Mhm.
we also work with Savant Power. Savant Power is a monitoring technology. So we can install a monitoring technology into your home so that you can see which devices are the ones that are probably using
Wow.
more power than they should be. And so as a consumer, you're informed about what your house is doing. You have more information, you're well armed to be able to make decisions that are best for your power consumption.